Welcome to DoorCare Ltd, the home of commercial window and door installations, servicing, repair and bespoke manufacturing. Our highly skilled and hugely experienced staff are able to complete same-day, on-site servicing and rapid repairs for all kinds of commercial premises, from shopping malls and care home facilities to office suites. We have access to most aluminium door and window systems on the market and can supply any type of furniture, fixtures, frames, handles and accessories too. If your commercial window, shop front or door cannot be repaired, we can manufacture a suitable replacement in our modern factory facility. To find out more or for any advice, please don't hesitate to give us a call.